Welcome to AI Meets Marketing News, where we share the latest trends and insights in AI marketing. Big news in AI, Elon Musk's company xAI just made its latest chatbot Grok 3 free for all X users. Initially behind a paywall, this powerful AI assistant is now accessible to everyone. Grok 3 isn't just another chatbot. It comes with two game-changing features. Need detailed research? This AI scans the web, compiles data, and generates in-depth reports like ChatGPT Pro and Perplexity AI. Got a tricky math problem or science question? Grok 3 breaks it down step by step and delivers precise answers. While Grok 3 is free, X still offers premium plans with exclusive perks. X Premium Plus users get voice mode, which lets the AI talk, transcribe audio, and share transcripts. But here's the catch. X just raised Premium Plus pricing to $40 per month, nearly double the old $22 fee. And there's a new SuperGrok plan just for AI lovers. Pricing is still under wraps, but expect it to be pricey. Want to try it? Just log into X, select Grok, and start chatting. You can even upload files, PDFs, images, Word docs, Excel sheets, and more for AI-powered analysis. For deeper research, click DeepSearch and let Grok generate a detailed report from multiple online sources. Need serious problem solving? Think Mode tackles complex challenges step by step. So, is Grok 3 better than ChatGPT or Gemini? Early reviews say it's surprisingly good, but can it take over? We'll have to wait and see. Will Grok 3 be your new go-to AI? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for tuning in to AI News. Press bell icon for more updates from AI Meets Marketing.
Subscribe to AI Meets Marketing and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.